Life doesn't usually get loud all at once. It builds slowly. A message here, a task there, until suddenly we realize we're carrying more than we meant to. Most of us rush into the day before our minds have even arrived. We move on instinct, not intention. But there's power in pausing before the first step. A single breath can redirect the whole day. We often underestimate how much the body influences the mind. Relax the shoulders, unclench the jaw, soften the breath. Suddenly, the world feels less hostile. In Stoic philosophy, serenity isn't a reward, it's a discipline. It's choosing where you place your attention. There will always be noise, opinions, expectations, demands, but none of it has to dictate your inner world. When stress shows up, don't push it away. Observe it with curiosity, like watching ripples on a pond. Thoughts will come and go. That's their nature. Your job is simply not to chase every one of them. Mindfulness isn't about forcing calm. It's about learning to sit with yourself without running. Clarity appears when we create room for it. Just a small pocket of stillness can change the whole emotional temperature of the day. As life speeds up, returning to the breath is like returning home. It's the anchor that never moves. Calm doesn't mean life is easy. It means you're steady enough to handle when it isn't. When overwhelmed, pause and ask, what here is actually mine to carry? Most of what stresses us lives in the future or the past. The present moment is usually gentler than we expect. Try grounding yourself. Notice 5 things you can see, 4 you can touch, 3 you can hear, 2 you can smell, 1 you can taste. The mind settles when the body feels safe. You don't need a perfect routine to find peace. You just need small, consistent moments of attention. Some days you'll feel centered. Other days you'll wobble. Both are part of the practice. Life will continue being chaotic, unpredictable, loud. But inside that chaos, you can build a sanctuary. You don't need to escape the world to find peace. You just need to meet it from a steadier place. Start with one slow breath, then another. Let each one remind you that calm is a skill, and you're learning it. The world may be loud,